Welcome to the world of Tesla, the company that's revolutionizing the automotive industry. Founded in 2003 by entrepreneur Elon Musk, Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. And they're doing it with style. From the first Roadster, which was the first production electric car to use lithium-ion battery cells, to the Model S, Model X, Model Y, and Model 3, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of vehicle design, performance, and technology. Their factories are state-of-the-art, utilizing automation and robots to increase efficiency and reduce waste. The company's gigafactories are a prime example of this, producing batteries on an unprecedented scale and driving down the cost of electric vehicles. Tesla is also working on developing solar energy solutions, such as solar roofs and energy storage systems, to make it even easier for people to go green. They have also initiated a Powerwall to store solar energy for homes. But Tesla's innovations don't stop at their cars and factories. They're also building a network of charging stations that make it easy for Tesla owners to travel long distances. They're working on creating a supercharger network that can charge a vehicle in just 30 minutes, making long-distance travel a breeze for Tesla owners. They're also working on developing V3 superchargers that can charge at an even faster rate. Tesla's impact goes beyond the automotive industry. They're inspiring other companies to invest in electric vehicles, and their advancements in renewable energy are helping to combat climate change. They have also set an example in sustainable manufacturing, using robots and automation to make their factories efficient and less wasteful. The company also has plans to expand their product line to include semi-trucks, and even a new Cybertruck. Tesla is set to continue leading the way for a sustainable future. And with its SpaceX venture, the company has also set its sights on revolutionizing space travel, with plans for interplanetary colonization and reusable rockets. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of technology and sustainability, one thing is for sure, the future looks bright for this innovative company and its innovative leader, Elon Musk. From electric cars to solar roofs, from charging stations to gigafactories, Tesla is leading the charge towards a cleaner, greener future. And as they continue to grow and evolve, we can't wait to see what they'll come up with next.